Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss, is TikTok safe? So TikTok is generally safe to use, especially if you take basic precautions. The application has privacy settings, content filters, and parental controls, and it doesn't allow inappropriate content or behavior. However, there are some concerns in some countries about how TikTok handles user data and whether it shares information with foreign governments. To stay safe on TikTok, you should basically use strong privacy settings. So that means that you should limit who can view or comment on your videos. Also, be careful what you share publicly. Watch for scams or fake products in the TikTok shop. And last but not least, you should report anything suspicious immediately. So in short, TikTok could be safe if you are aware of how you use it and stay cautious, especially with your data and interactions. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.